Hello guys, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel, The Equity Trader. Today is 16th of Feb. I most likely won't be taking up a trade as some of the existing members of the channel may already know that I am not taking a couple of trades on Wednesdays to offset the losses I made last week, just as a principle of risk management. But I'm still watching the market, and if I do get a very good opportunity, I may plan on taking it, most likely in the second half, because I have been trading in the first half of the day for quite some time, and I have been noticing there are a lot of good opportunities in the second half of the day because you have a proper support resistance developed for that particular day. So I'm going to try and see if I find any good opportunity then. I'll update you in case that happens. Also guys, people who are watching my videos for the first time, I just wanted to quickly explain something why this channel exists. So you will see a lot of channels doing live trading, and again most of them are experienced traders who are earning good profits every day. So it's natural for a new trader to be very to get very intimidated by seeing all of those PNLs and uh, get a little frustrated that why am I not able to do this, because I have been a part of that journey too, and I'm still a part of that journey in a lot of sense. But so that's why I wanted to start this channel, so that someone who's new into the stock market can relate to it, can see that okay guys, you're not alone, you're making the same mistakes as a lot of new traders. And I essentially want to build this channel so that you can see the journey instead of me posting a video 2 years down the line. I wanted to document this journey maybe over the next 1 year if I become a profitable trader, which I want to. And I'm going to give it all. I'm going to follow all the principles of risk management, and I want to make sure that this is something which I really like doing. So I want to see that okay, if tomorrow if I can do it with in the beginning with 300 400 rupees profits, 300 400 losses, if I can go to thousands to further, then maybe then you can too. So that is the whole purpose of documenting this journey. And I hope it turns out to be a successful one. Hello guys, so I've been actively monitoring Bank Nifty and Nifty for a little while now. My view is slightly bearish, especially on Bank Nifty, because as you can see, it has been a rallying. It has rallied about 4% from this bottom, and it hasn't given any significant retracement. The second reason is that because this is a gap border, as you can see, 38412 levels. So it has touched the higher bound today and given a solid rejection. So I believe that it may consolidate here for a while and then give a breakdown and at least retrace to maybe even if it doesn't give a 50% retracement, may come back till here, let's say 37 800 levels. So guys, have a look at this Bank Nifty. Like I was saying in the morning, took a rejection from here and then consolidated here for a little while and then gave a clean breakout from this particular trend line. So if you see, this candle is completely below it. This is where you could have entered your short position. This is a safe stop loss of 200 points, and like I said, this gap border could be a good target, and it is reached exactly there, and there's a good possibility it may reverse or retrace. Guys, also I'm testing this new option strategy. It's called shorts triangle. Essentially, it is when you expect the price to end up in the range of in a particular range during expiry. So I'm anticipating that since tomorrow is expiry, the price is going to be somewhere in the range of 17,100 to 17,700. So I'll quickly take you to the full trade analysis and what are the odds. So if you can see here, the probability of profit is 76%. I will lose money if the if the price Nifty ends up below 17,100 or above 17,700. Apart from that, if it ends up anywhere in between, I am going to take 1735 as a premium, which is 1.5% of the capital deployed. For this, if you have to trade this, it requires about 1,09,000 of capital. So once I have enough capital, I may I'm right now just testing it for a few more weeks. If I do end up deploying more capital in 1 or 2 months down the line, I am going to probably start trading this for expiry, because this is a very safe trade to take. Again, not every time, but if you have a good view, because since the last 2 days the market has been very trendy, so I'm anticipating today and tomorrow there won't be much move. So I'll update you tomorrow on how this pans out. Hi guys, so markets have closed just now. I quickly wanted to update you on what happened to the trades I've taken yesterday. Before that, as you can see, no positions here. I did not take up any trade. Sorry for the people who are seeing my video for the first time. You can check out other live videos, other live intraday videos to see how I trade and all of that process. So now talking about the trades I suggested yesterday, Petronet did not give any entry opportunity. It formed a big candle in the first 5 minutes and kept on trading within the same range throughout the day. Then talking about the next one, Escorts also did not form any, it did not give any entry opportunity. It formed a doji candle in the first 5 minutes and entered back into the channel, gave a breakout. However, all these breakouts were accompanied by big wicks at the top, so I was waiting for it to give a proper breakout over this line with a strong bullish candle. However, that did not happen, so no entry opportunity here as well. Now the third one I suggested was Concord. Concord actually gave us a good entry opportunity, again very different to I was hoping that it'll cross this level. However, that did not happen. But in the morning session, it kept on trading within this particular range and then gave a breakout. So as you can see, once this breakout happened, I tried to actually take up a trade here. If you see 1147, however, the order did not get filled, and after that, it formed this candle. So I cancelled my order, otherwise it would have gotten filled. However, if you would have traded the retest, then you could have easily gotten a 1:1 target or even higher. DLF, as you can see, DLF I did not trade, but it formed again at the same area, which is the gap. It formed a consolidation and then it gave a breakout, nice and clean breakout here. And then you could have waited for a slight retest and entered at this particular level with your stop loss here, and easy 1:1 trade here as well. And yeah, so and another, if you are seeing Hind Petro, I will also explain you the logic why I wanted to enter there. Hind Petro actually was forming this particular triangle pattern. Very nice and neat contraction. If you look closely, it's like it's very beautiful. It is above the support region as well. So I did not enter here because this was my immediate target which I wanted to place, and I wanted to be a little safe. So I tried placing an order for 290 1349. I placed an order for 301.30. So as you can see, it never retraced back to these levels. uh, and the order never got filled. Otherwise, this could have been a winning trade. However, no regrets. It was a good trade to be taken. So yeah, guys, that's all for today. I am just quickly going to figure out stocks for tomorrow and post it. Hi guys, welcome to the last section of today's video, which is going to be the stocks for tomorrow. So I shortlisted a few stocks while I was active in the market, hence I'm able to shortlist it within half an hour of the market close. So anyway, JK Cement was suggested day before also, and or yesterday. So as you can see that it is trading in this particular close range in 1 day time frame. It's close to the support level. Now moving on to 5 minute time frame action. So here, if you look carefully, it has formed a huge volume spike at the end of the day, which means that there are buyers or sellers who are active at this particular region itself. Last time also, if you see, there was a big volume spike close to these levels itself. So what I'm going to be looking at tomorrow is this is a particular 10 trend line. If this is broken out and retested, especially if the breakout is happening in the morning, which it most likely will be, do wait for a proper retest, because markets are going to be extremely volatile in the morning. Again, if in case of a breakdown, be very careful. If it does break down, wait again for a proper retest before you take the trade. Now moving on to the next one, Biocon. I'll first show you in 15-minute time frame. If you see, it's consolidating neatly in a channel pattern for quite some time, for since 8th of Feb. Now, finally, it did break out today or yesterday. Let me see. This is yesterday. It gave a breakout. However, the breakout wasn't strong enough. Since then, it has been consolidating and has formed another channel pattern here on a smaller time frame. So, what I'll be looking at, and there was one more thing actually which I noticed here. That was on Fibonacci levels. So if you draw it from the bottom, this is taking support at 0.382 levels. So if you do get a good breakout, I think this trade will have a lot of potential tomorrow, and you can look up to targets depending on again the price action. You can even look at 414 on higher levels, and but again everything depends on the price action. If it's not heavily volatile, then you can go for shorter targets and shorter stop losses. Then moving on to the last one, which is Cummins. Cummins again, for this one, do wait for a 15-minute breakout because this trade is completely on 15 minutes itself. So as you can see, it is since 10th of Feb, it has been consolidating in this particular region. It is most likely to give a breakdown or a breakout tomorrow itself. So keep an eye on this one. Stop loss and target, again, guys, you have to do it at your discretion based on the price action of that given day. It's very difficult to recommend because tomorrow the first candle is big, then again everything invalidates. So yeah, keep an eye on that. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I'll see you in the video tomorrow. If you are liking the content, please do hit subscribe button and bell icon for instant notification, and don't forget to like this video for to help me with the YouTube algorithms. I'll see you in the next one.